5 Best Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Reviews. Number 1. Eufy L70 Hybrid Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Eufy L70 is the best trade as an automated vacuum cleaner, as it entails the perfection of smart home cleaning. The best thing about it is to clean thoroughly because it explores almost everywhere, even under the bed. If you have a home under 800 square feet, then you won't regret purchasing it. The amazing fact of it is the smart suction cleaning. To do so, it comes with 1 to 3 levels of different suctions mode and it applies them while needed. Moreover, you can adjust them remotely using an app and it makes a sweet beep sound during the switch from one mode to another. Number 2. iLife V5s Pro 2-in-1 Mopping and Robot Vacuum. iLife V5s Pro comes as a single robot, but it offers 2-in-1 intelligent features. For that, it comes with the mopping system also change into a smart control water tank. Turns out, the sweeping system of it goes in dual mode automatically. Once we delve into the features to know more, we amazed to see its self-control functioning. For example, it can avoid open falls from stairs or deck, it runs itself for reloading the power, and it avoids crashes with the furniture. A truly sensible robot cleaning equipment you will have. This is the best bait in case of endurance cleaning because it performs up to 110 minutes per hour after every charge. Number 3. Deenkey 700 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. Having the perfect mapping is a blessing with this amazing robotic vacuum and mop cleaner. Aside from the smart navigation, it ensures maximum suction power up to 2000 PA. Moreover, the ultimate suction lasts for 110 minutes, making your home maximum thorough cleaning. Having expertise on cleaning as a robotic cleaner requires to go and clean the zigzag paths. So it avoids the obstacles in between its route to the furniture placement. Moreover, when it picks up the dirt or dust, you will find the bin is pretty big and even bigger compared to its body. We know the robot vacuum and mop combo often falters in navigation, and thus it won't ensure you the maximum fastest and efficient cleanup. Number 4. Deenkey Robot Vacuum and Mop. Deenkey walks all around your home, and thus they claim their cleaning buddy can cover 95% of your home. The best part, we love to see its longer battery life and efficient cleaning operated by Alexa or smartphone app. The whole unit comes with the 2 control modes, making it swift to finish the cleaning tasks earlier. You can control it via Wi-Fi system, and to do so your connection requires to establish 2.4 GHz. Moreover, to ease up the operation, it comes with a remote control where you will 4 buttons. The smartest cleaning with Deenkey is not that far, indeed. Once you get your hands on Deenkey, then you will never worry about the amazing runtime of it. Number 5. Coredy R750 Robot Vacuuming or Mopping. If you want to clean up your home virtually, then we will recommend you to have this Coredy R750 right away. A special remote integration design was done by the Alexa app along with other app control. More importantly, you can send voice commands to this tiny robot and get to see it performs all of them. The whole unit seems quite good operation and easy to emptying. The HEPA filter add-ons is a bonus as it helps to give you more intensive cleanup, making it to gather more dust dirt into the bin. Turns out it offers more aggravate robotic cleanup. The mopping system will get an advanced touch-up with the remote monitoring even with the water pump.